Okay, now I wanted to discuss how a drill cuts. And again, this might seem kind of silly, but there's two things that have to take place to make a drill cut. And again, the drills you use are going to be nowhere near this size, but it's good just for demonstration purposes. You need rotary motion and forward movement. Rotary motion, RPM, that's supplied by the drill, whatever machine tool, but in the case that you're going to be using drill presses, that's supplied by the drill press. The chuck rotating, that's going to rotate the tool. But you also need forward momentum. So any of you, if you run a drill press or you run a hand drill and you pushed on it, that's your forward momentum. Now we call that momentum feed. So you have to have RPM and feed, that's what allows you to drill. Basically it works like this. This is RPM. Well, I can sit here and you can put a drill in the drill chuck, you can turn the drill on and it will run forever until the motor burns up, until you shut the power off, until we quit paying the power bill and they shut the power off on us. But the fact of the matter is, it will run forever, but it will never make a chip. Now, that's rotation. But one half the equation. Now, I can sit here and you can put a drill in the drill chuck and you can grab a hold of that handle and you can put it down on your project, or I can sit here and push on this table till I turn blue in the face or die. And all I've done, I'm doing no work. This is forward momentum. I'm pushing on it. Basically, you're turning a drill bit into a glorified nail, hitting it with a hammer. That does nothing for you either. But when you start this, and you'll see these little chips starting to form, when I'm turning this and pushing down on it, you'll see I'm starting to cut. That's where it happens. I have to have the two working together. So keep that in mind. This is how the tools work. There's a physical principle behind everything we do in here, and this is how a drill works. With that, that includes the video on how drills work.